Oh my gosh, it is so hot, and he can't bloody stand the air conditioning, and it's like 29 degrees. I have to wind the windows down because he doesn't like air conditioning.
Yeah, we don't. I'm not good at in aircon.
What?
I'm not good in aircon.
You're not good at aircon.
Yeah.
And I'm not good in humidity. I need aircon. So what do we need to do? We have to come to a compromise.
Yeah. What is this car doing? Is he riding? Okay. Yeah. The thing is that I don't. I also need susumai bana aircon. Like.
Well, tas isusu ng aircon mo ni.
Susu lang nga may. Susu nga mo yaw. Dol na katubalaka.
Yes.
Ito wala ka umay na ko. Wala ka. Ito duwan ba katubalaka. Dulu katubalaka.
I was born in a Falakau too. I was born.
Okay.
Yeah, but I was bred up here since 2.5 years old.
Bolo binaka. Kami na sarap sa kumay. Ang bolo chicken bi kami ndo tala siya tu city na bolo match. Bolo dolo so ko ono. Sa kabich ko na buno ko sa bitakalo ko sa ochi chicken
Na chinika lima.
Ochi na lima. Ochi na lima nando na miniti. Chicken ningo McGregor Brisbane. Sa sukutal to na nakataka. Siya ngol to laundry may saba laundry ter balilay. Sabto ni sul
Oops.
Rangan ni sul.
Alright. Sorry, Lay. Sorry.
So yeah, kami
Yeah. Okay. So that's the dilemma. The dilemma is to put the air conditioning on, which I'm used to, or to not. Should I humble myself, or should he humble himself?
I'm humble.
No, as in
Just humble.
no, because I had it on.
Yeah.
So the air conditioner was on whilst I was in the car, and you came in, and just because you didn't like the air condition, you just switched it off without even all you just said was, I don't like air conditioning. I was like, well, I like air conditioning, so like
Yeah, you're right.
I'm happy.
Now we in Sunnybank. How can I what is it?
I don't know that way.
Yeah, Chingo is Sunnybank Hill. Raki kata-kata Chingo in Brisbane.
How many degrees is it outside?
Check it there.
It says 29 degrees. Arrow, green. I'm driving home.
All right, yeah. It's very hot here in Brisbane. Matak nga sa listalohan ni Bilu. Sa chukta na mikir pati ako na buwis. Budi ngararitabi.
The song is gonna be gone again.
What?
The song ni Dara?
Turn it up.
The pot. It's going again.
Oh, siya. Nga minta kasi ako ng sogo ni Kuro.
That's the one.
Iya. Doken tuk-tukun to na kuna nga sige na Kuro. Chikta mga kinakina song. Iya. Oyi ko na Kuro. Oyi ko na song.
Oh, okay. The other one.
Oyi ko.
Yeah.
Kana
Yeah, that's right, because you're the
that's
one
what
who's
they
going to be
say.
gone
I
again.
don't follow what they say. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we are nearing that destination, train station. Whereabouts is...
Okay. You're heading go past the train station.
Train station is just down there.
Okay. Okay.
So it depends on which side of the train station.
Okay. Okay. We'll go there. We'll go. Okay. Okay. Una ka.
Manaka.
Tinggal lain.